Good morning students. Today we are going to see basic concepts of chemistry, some important definitions. We are going to see some important definitions in basic concepts of chemistry. Till now we have seen up to rules for determining significant figures. Okay. What is atomic mass? The first term is what is atomic mass? Atomic mass refers to number of times a given element is heavier than 1/12 mass of carbon atom. Okay. I have a standard compound. What is that compound? It is I have a standard atom. The standard atom is nothing but your carbon atom. 1/12 mass of carbon atom I am having in one hand, and I should have an element. This element should be number of times heavier than 1/12 mass of carbon atom, that is referred to as atomic mass. What is atomic mass of a particular element? Atomic mass of an element is defined as number of times a given element is heavier than it is heavier than 1/12 mass of carbon atom. Now what is atomic mass unit? To calculate your atomic mass unit, I am going to take carbon 12 isotope as a standard, and I am going to assign a mass of exactly 12 atomic mass units. What is the mass assigned to C12 isotope? It is nothing but 12 atomic mass units. But nowadays atomic mass unit term is replaced by a term called U, where U is nothing but your unified mass. Okay. Now, a particular element can have different isotopes. It may have different isotopes. Say for example hydrogen. Hydrogen will be existing in 3 different forms of isotopes, like it can exist as protium, deuterium, then tritium, like H1, H2, H3. It may exist as protium, deuterium or tritium. Similarly, carbon will exist in different forms of isotopes like carbon 12, carbon 14, like that. So, a particular element may exist in different isotopes, and these isotopes will be having different atomic masses. Correct? Okay? Element have different isotopes have different atomic masses, and your average relative mass depends on the composition of the isotopes. Okay? So, my average relative mass will be depending upon the composition of the different isotopes. Say for example, an atom of same element may have different atomic masses, right? See for example, what is the atomic mass of carbon? It is 12. For oxygen it is 16. For hydrogen it is 1. For sodium it is 23. For chlorine it is 35.5. And what is molecular mass? Molecular mass is nothing but sum of atomic mass of all the elements present in a compound. Say for example water. How many hydrogen is present in water? 2. What is the atomic mass of hydrogen? 1. So 2 into 1 plus how many oxygen? 1. And what is the atomic mass of oxygen? 16. So 1 into 16. So 2 plus 16 will be your 18. 18 is nothing but your molecular mass of water. Okay. Now consider the second example, carbon dioxide. How many carbon atom present? 1. And what is the atomic mass of carbon? It is 12. So 1 into 12 plus. How many oxygen atom present? 2. What is the atomic mass of oxygen? 16. So 2 into 16, 32. So 12 plus 32 will be your 44. 44 is the relative atomic mass of carbon dioxide. Okay. So, not for all the compounds the term molecular mass will be used. For ionic compounds, we are going to replace molecular mass by formula mass. So, formula mass is used to indicate ionic compounds like sodium chloride, potassium chloride, etc. Because ionic compounds dissociate completely to give me positively charged ions and negatively charged ions. Say for example sodium plus and chloride minus. Sodium plus is cation, chloride minus is anion. Since your ionic compounds dissociate to give you cations and anions, these cations and anions are arranged in the 3D structure in a crystal lattice. Okay, they will be arranged in a 3-dimensional structure, and that is called as crystal lattice. And to calculate the formula mass, formula of ionic compound will be used to calculate. There is no difference in the calculation part when it comes to molecular mass as well as formula mass. But formula mass is used for ionic compounds, and molecular mass is used for all the compounds except ionic compounds. Say for example sodium chloride. Calculate the formula mass of sodium chloride. What is the atomic mass of sodium? It is 23. What is the atomic mass of chloride? It is 35.5. So 23 plus 35.5, I got the answer as 58.5, which is nothing but formula mass of ionic compound sodium chloride. What is mole concept? What is mole concept? Mole concept refers to the amount of substance which may contain atoms, molecules, ions or particles which are present in 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. Say for example, in one hand I have carbon 12 isotope. The number of atoms, ions, molecules or particles present in carbon 12 isotope should be equal to 1 mole. Otherwise I can tell you, mole of a substance always contain same number of particle, whatever the substance may be. The substance can be sodium chloride, potassium chloride or ammonium sulfate, whatever the compound, but it should contain same number of particles. This is called as mole concept. What is Avogadro's constant? Avogadro's constant refers to the number of entities which are present in 1 mole of a substance, and which is equal to the Avogadro number. What is Avogadro number? Which we have seen in the lower classes, like 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules or particles. So Avogadro's constant refers to the number of entities present in 1 mole of a substance. What is percentage composition? Whenever the term percentage comes, we should indicate 100 grams. So percentage composition refers to the amount of sub-element present in 100 gram of a compound. Okay, I have a compound that is present in 100 grams, and how much amount of element is present in that 100 gram of compound is called your percentage composition. And properly to define, to give you a proper formula to calculate percentage composition, it will be nothing but mass of element present in a compound by molar mass of a compound into 100, where mass refers to atomic mass of element and molar mass refers to the molecular mass. So using your percentage composition, you can check the purity of a substance and you can calculate the formula of a compound. So we have seen atomic mass unit, atomic mass, average atomic mass, molecular mass, formula mass, mole concept, Avogadro's constant and percentage composition. We'll move to the next topic.